What's up lovely people? So today in this particular video we are going to see how to make a stacked column chart in Power BI. So first of all, let's understand what is a stacked column chart. So a stacked column chart is a basic Excel chart type which allows a part to hold comparison over time. In this, the data series are stacked one on top of the other in the vertical columns. These charts can show change over time because it's easy for comparing the total column lengths. So this is the definition of our stacked column chart. So after that, the data set that we are going to use over here is a Airbnb data set. It's a most famous data set. So let's see what is the data set is all about. I have written a small description about the data set, a one-line description you can say. So let's see. Yes, so you can see over here the dataset is all about the summary information and the metrics for listing in New York City. So the dataset is all about the listing in our New York City. After that, let's see how the dataset looks like. So this is the dataset you can see over here. This contains various columns in it, like there are 13 columns present into this dataset. So which are like, there are host ID is also there, host since is also there, which is like from when the particular person is staying into this property. After that, the name of the property, whether it's a one bedroom in Prime Williamsburg or sunny private room in Bushwick. After that, the neighborhood, for example Brooklyn, Manhattan. Then the type of the property, whether it's an apartment or a house. After that, the review score ratings like 95, 100. After that, the room type is also there, for example whether it's an entire room or apartment or it's a private room. After that, the zip code of the particular property, the number of beds, the number of records, the number of reviews, the total reviews that we have taken right now for this. After that, the price of the property and the review scores rating. The review scores rating and this review scores rating are almost similar, so we are going to take one of them only. So this is all about data set. So let's jump onto our Power BI task window and let's see how to make a stacked column chart. So first of all, we will need some kind of question like what output we are expecting. So for example, I would like to know the price of the property according to the room type. So for that, we will be requiring two columns, the price and the room type. So I'm going to go into the fields pane and I'm going to drag and drop the price onto the task window. After that, I'm just going to the same thing with the room type column as well. So yes, the room type column is here and I'm just dragging and dropping up here. Yes, so you can see over here a default chart is coming up and it's already showing me a stacked column chart. But if it does not show you a stacked column chart, you just have to go to the visualization pane and you have to select the stacked column chart. You can see over here from the symbols you will be able to identify the stacked column chart because it is vertical in shapes, and you can see a vertical stacked column chart is present over here. From symbol you will be able to identify. You just have to select this and a stacked column chart will be present over here in front of you. So this is all about stacked column chart. Thank you for watching our video. Stay tuned with us. Take care. Bye bye.